Susanna's been my best friend now for over a year. And it's changed my life, Susanna. It's changed my
Oh,
life. Getting me started,
excellent.
getting me going, thing to do, right? There's a plan. And I don't, and the way to work the plan is there for me. And that was always my biggest struggle
Ugh.
was, I could say all day long, oh, I'd like to do so and so, but it was like, how do I get started? And, the other day the plumber came and he said, do you have, I'm not sure if this sump pump, I don't know when it was put in. And I said, wait just a minute. And I went and I got the papers. They were just right there. And he said, I can't believe you have this. And we were able to solve a problem. And you were talking about feeling free and feeling, it was absolutely wonderful. And it just made my day, the whole rest of the day, to be able to have done that. They weren't in a pile somewhere, in a box marked 2016 in the corner of my office.
Well, I
So,
celebrate you because, you did the work of following the path and taking the steps. And that is so amazing. And
well, you made the
definitely
path.
amazing.
You made the path, right, girls?
We make a good team,
That's
right?
Yeah.